Okay, so we've got this connector, ribbon connector. I'll put it here. Hopefully I can work with it on the microscope. Took me a little while to set it up, but not the best, but something we have to work with. Okay. So I made a little arrow to point, a little coloring of green to show me which way I'm going to put this guy. Okay. Okay. Setup is very important. We don't want anything to be moving. Just this guy looks a bit odd. Okay, that's better. Okay. Okay. I'm busy, mate. One sec. Bro, that's done. Okay. Alright, now that's done. Is there a way to just double check something? Just double check. Maybe these first two. See if they're in properly or not. Yeah, okay, great. Great. See if you can apply some kind of material to make that a little stronger. Can't apply too much. No, it doesn't stick. No, okay. Like I rather it didn't simply got stuck on there by the thermal by the solder. Like solder should not be used for holding wires together. Okay, so we're gonna apply some UV mask to protect the exposed. If I can squeeze it. There we go. We'll spread that out shortly.
What is it protected for?
So it doesn't get exposed. It acts like it sort of helps it bond, avoid any contact. Like see how I cover it, all the metal components,
Right.
they cover it so you don't accidentally touch them. It offers like a little bit of protection. There we go. And when we cure this with thermal UV light, it will become stronger, harder. I mean, yeah.
But did you put that adapter on the
Yeah, I just made that up. You mean this?
adapter? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I just use peg. Another. I'll put it on. I soldered it already.
Like, is that new? Or was
No,
that
that's the one that he broke.
uh,
Remember? He showed us the photo. It was broken. He sent it in the mail. It arrived. So this is our UV light. Just gonna let this cure for about a couple of minutes, and we'll be back. Let's have a look. Great. Okay, thanks for watching. See you.